Hi guys, today I'm quite excited because I just received this ceiling fan with lights for viewing purposes. And I think this is a really nice one because, well, first let me take everything out of the box and tell you what comes inside of it. We've got the instruction manual with all the steps on how to install it, what comes included, and everything about it. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's start checking everything out. We have in here proper motor. Okay. There's a proper motor, okay, on that side. Get this side the ceiling lights with its glass fixture, okay. This one, okay. We got a hanging rod, canopy of it, and we got the proper panelets, okay. See, they are quite large. So let me get everything else out of the bit, start assembling it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, go. The installation is really easy. It mounts via download in either a flat or sloped ceilings, and it comes with all the hardware that you need. It is dressed in a sleek matte finish with some ABS blades, and it can bring modern style and reliability to your room. The integrated LED light delivers about 2200 lumens and offers 3 color temperatures: warm white, neutral, and daylight. It can easily match your lighting to the mood or task at hand. And it's powered by a reversible DC motor. This fan offers 6 speed settings and delivers a powerful enough airflow for even the largest rooms. You can use the reverse function to circulate warm air downward in cooler months. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it's really nice. First of all, it has a whopping 22 inches panelets, which I think that they are nice because they can move around a lot of wind, which I think that it's nice for big rooms or your dining room, stuff like that, where it's an open area and you need a circulation of wind. It has a total of 6 speeds, and I think it's nice that you can also use it on winter with the reverse fan mode, which makes it so they takes the air out, which I think that it's nice. And you can also change the temperature of the light and the brightness, which I think that it's really nice that you can set different modes depending on the time of day of the event, which I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's really great. It was really easy to install it, and I really like it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.